Mm-hmm. Guess what day it is? Still the best commercial ever. Julie, hey, guess what day it is? Oh, come on, I know you can hear me. Mike. What day is it, Mike? Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, aDudemanbro, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic Wednesday. It's hump day today, and I hope you really enjoyed the intro. That's one of my favorite commercials from back in the day a little bit. Used to get me a laugh almost every single time. But anyway, thank you for joining along in this video. Thank you for the recent support, all the comments, all the likes, all the new subscribers. Welcome, and I hope that you guys have been learning, making some money off of some of these picks. Really appreciate everything. So if you learn anything, or if you make some money off some of my picks, if you want to smash that like button and subscribe, that'd be awesome. You can always unsubscribe later if you don't find any of my material useful, but I'm pretty sure you're going to find at least a little bit of it useful. So anyway, I'm going to jump into this. This is going to be my Wednesday midweek picks. We have a lot of information going on. I have some swing trades that are finally starting to see some action, and we might see some awesome gains tomorrow. So first of all, I want to touch on SHIP. It hasn't done what I wanted it to do. It hasn't seen the volume, and it hasn't even remotely went up. I've actually thought about getting a position in the 48s, 49, but I haven't taken it yet, though, because we haven't seen that pop or that volume. It still doesn't mean that there's not a chance that it's going to go up tomorrow or Friday, but I haven't really seen the right triggers and indicators I like to see for this to go up to 75 cents to $1. So just to let everyone know, I'm not in SHIP. I put it on my watch list, and I'm still waiting for those indicators for a bullish upward trend, but still not in it. What I do want to talk about is Gevo stock ticker, and this one has actually had a good amount of contracts within the last couple of months, and it's been rallying a lot. It's went above $2 a few times. You can see the indicator right here at about $1.42 a few times also. Took a position at about $1.10 today. I'm very happy about this because I think it can easily go to about $1.30, $1.35, easy 15-20 cent for the next day, or a swing trade. It still even has that potential to go even bigger. You know, it has went about 218 before, which I could see it actually going that, but I'm kind of just holding it for a swing, and I'm going to be buying all of the dips on this one because I think it could possibly go $1.50 very soon. So next one I want to talk about is actually my subscriber pick, my giveaway series, and it's NNDM. It was actually suggested by a subscriber, and it was our first pick, and we're up already almost 40% on it. So it's been doing awesome. I bought it at about $2.55, and it's sitting at over $1.10 I've made on it already. And it has actually almost hit that $4 mark today. I think it's going to continue the trend up. I'm holding it. I'm taking a little bit of profits up until Friday, because I'm going to be selling out before Friday and picking my new stock with all the gains and all, you know, and the new stock that I'm going to be picking on Friday. So if you got any suggestions, I do prefer you guys go into the last video, my Sunday video, and let me know what stock you want me to pick for that one. Do remember, though, I am doing that giveaway. It's going to be a year long. I'm going to be putting $100 a month into a Webull account, and you guys, the community, the subs, you're going to be able to pick which stock I buy each month and each week, actually. And if the same stock wins more than once, based off of likes, actually. So if you comment a stock and someone else comments the same stock, and you both agree that you guys both like each other's comment, and I'm going to be trying to include those into the video of when I pick them up. But the stock with the most likes, stock comment with the most likes, I'm going to be picking and putting all $100 of that month into that stock, and keep on rolling it over to the next month. And at the very end of it, after a year, I'm going to be picking 2 lucky subscribers / community members. Going to be giving the full account to both of them, 50-50. And so it's almost going to be guaranteed $1,200, you know, $600 a person. And if we make a lot of money off that too, you guys are going to be getting a lot more. So Anyway, next one I want to talk about is my swing trade that I brought to you guys on Twitter, and I've mentioned in my last video. It had a huge amount of pullbacks lately. I've been picking up all the dips at 250, 260 under, and I actually lowered my average to about $2.62, which is awesome because off the little bit of sympathy play off of staff, actually STAF, which is another stock that I covered in 2 weeks ago, which I also suggested that it might pop up. It actually went like 50-60% today. This is a sympathy play off of that, and it actually ended after hours at $2.82. So we're up already 22 cents about, and I'm very happy about that. Still think it's going to go over $3. I have a first price target at about $3.25 on this, but I could see it honestly opening up about $3.50, and we might even see that $4 push tomorrow. So if you guys got into this, awesome, because I mean, all the indicators were there, honestly. The offering was at $3. Almost the whole week we were right over the oversold. So we were bound for a, blast up, and I think after hours today, I think we're going to possibly see a gap up tomorrow, and we might see $3 plus. So the next one I want to talk about is STAF, and this is one that I brought to you 2 weeks ago. I'm going to be putting that video in the description below. And after hours, it was at $1.45, which is 84% it ran up today. I unfortunately did not take a position in this. Congrats, whoever did, based off of my recommendation, because it is just blowing up. Another one I want you guys to look out for is JOB, and this is another staffing type of play that might get sympathy off of PIXY and STAF. Watch this one though. It probably will only be a day trade at best. Probably not going to be a 2 to 3 day trade, especially since the next day is Friday, and that's normally a sell-off day. But this might be a very good scalp or day trade. So next one I want to talk about is Solo. This EV play, and it saw some awesome action, definitely after hours too. Up about 20% for the day. I like this a lot. I've actually mentioned this, and actually a couple subscribers mentioned this stock a few weeks ago also, that it had potential to go up, and it actually didn't go up that much. This one, and also Neo, which went up about 22% today too. I like these two plays a lot. They are EV plays, so look out for those other EV sympathy plays, because they might be seeing some really crazy run up because of these two plays. I have a weird one here right now. VVPR. I like this one a lot because we might see a reversal on this one. It's sitting at about $11.50 right now. I would like to see it under $11, to be honest. That would be my safest bet. This one has a pretty big gap to fill. It ran up into about $24 at one time at its max. Shorts covered the crap out of it, and it got beat down a crazy amount. And I mean, I'm going to be looking at this and possibly adding a starter position. I love anything under $11. To be honest, I'm probably going to be taking a risk on this one and starting to add under $12. With the EV plays being so strong, and definitely Neo and Solo being so strong too, I think that this one might be very good. I want to also bring up this too. This is an article with Vivopower, VVPR. Definitely if Tesla keeps on going up and other EV plays keep on going up, I could see this one possibly doing a reversal and going up to at least 16 to 18. I would love to see this one, which would be a solid $5 to $7 gain on this one. But it even has the possibility of going up to $24. Honestly, we'll just have to kind of hold off and see. I'm going to be starting to add the dips on this one, I think, and put this one as a long swing. So now it's WWR. This one has shot up to almost 15 at one time, and it's in at about 6. I want to say that this might possibly be the bottom of it, but we don't know though yet. It's seen a lot of buying at the very end of the day, which I'm very happy about, because I think people are actually just front loading on this one, and we might see a hell of a push, probably toward $8 to $10. I'm not in this one, and this one's kind of really risky and very volatile, so I will tell you guys that. Next one I want to talk about are 3 swing plays that are bio related, that have PDUFAs in the fourth quarter and actually coming up. First one I want to talk about is stock ticker KALA, and this has seen a lot of price movement in the last few days. I wanted to get it under $8, and I have not seen that yet, but I did take a small position at about $8.15 today. Let's bring up some of these articles. They have a PDUFA for October 30th, so that's the next catalyst that's coming up for this company. On top of that, they have price targets. Remember, these are analyst price targets. You have to take them with a grain of salt. Basically, the lowest one is about $14, and that's a low end. High end being almost $40. Stock is sitting at $8 right now. You can almost 5x your investment, basically. But like I said, that's a grain of salt. Institutional holdings is at about 75, almost 76%. That's huge. That makes me a little bit worried for other reasons, but there's been a lot of buying and stuff going on, and it's not in the FOMO region yet. You got to be kind of worried about that when it hits like those highs. Downtrend today, went in a downtrend really bad, and I think right now is almost the perfect time to be loaded up. I would love to load it under $8, like I said, but I think right now is a pretty decent time to actually be buying the crap out of this. So next one I want to talk about is one that got beat the crap down, but I have a very good intuition about this one. It's FBIO. It did not get FDA approval on one of its trials, so it went from $4.50 almost to $2.80. I think that this is a huge overreaction. A lot of selling going on. It actually went even lower. I'm going to be shooting for about $3.50 price target on this. I have started to buy the dips and buy about almost at $2.80. But there's just so many things that are going on with this one. We can just bring up a few things. So there's two price target analysts that actually lowered it from $5 to $4.75. You know, still that's double its price right now. And then on top of that, Zacks did put it as a hold, but they also have HC Wainwright has $11 or $10 price target, which, like I said, is about 4 times as much. This is the article. I do recommend that you read this before you just go ahead and take a position in this company. I'll just let you read it, basically. It's based off of one of their trials. It was a rejection, but it was, they did not have enough information. Basically, they didn't know how the drug reacted to the bloodstream. But I'm just taking a shot in the dark here because I think that it can at least see a run-up after we see possibly a resubmit to the FDA, and we might see a reversal. Next one I want to talk about is BLU. This is one that has been kind of being down a lot in the past. It's their website. Please go to their corporate presentation that was in October. This is the very last page, and this is the catalyst and upcoming events for 2020, 2021. They have feedback, fourth quarter. They also have one of their trials that's going to be phase 2B, and they also have another conference January 2021 that's coming up too next year, of course, but long hold, it might be worth it. Also, we had phase 2 and first patient enrolled fourth quarter of another one of their treatments, basically. So multiple catalysts is coming up for this one, and this one is also I like a lot. You know, the price target was lowered on this one, but it was lowered to $7 to $10. I'm very happy with that right now because, I mean, it's sitting at 2,037 cents. That's a pretty decent amount, you know. That's not just $1 or $2 that it could be wrong. I mean, that's a pretty decent amount. I think the risk to the reward there is very good. The very last one I want to talk about is Ovid, and this is one that got beat down also kind of a lot. A lot of these are low floats, so you got to kind of be careful with that, but they could explode. And just there was like $5 to $10 plus. I mean, there's honestly it's happened before. Look at some of these other stocks that we have been seeing in the past couple of weeks / months. And this is a pharma play. There's insider activity in the last 3 months. One of the officers bought 8,488 shares. It's not a crazy amount, but still it's a pretty decent amount at $5.84, which is above where it's at right now. On top of that, we have institutional holdings at about almost 34% at 8,000 shares that have been increased in the past few months. Very last thing I want to talk about is the price target. Like I said, it's with a grain of salt, but the lowest price target that is on anything is $9. With a high of about $17 to $21, and these are all 3 months ago, so pretty recently. Very low float, and this one will see a pop and then it will drop a lot. So I kind of hesitant you guys from just taking a huge amount of shares on this one, but it could see a huge pop here soon, and you could be amazing gains on this one. Please leave in the comments below what you guys are looking at, what stocks that you guys would like me to review, if there's any, or just leave how your week's going. Are you green? Are you gold? Are you red? Let me know in the comments below. I love to converse with you guys. I love to, talk to you guys, because what this is all about, this community growing, and you guys make money, I make money, and we all become self-sustained and be able to make money for ourselves and not other people. That's what this is all about. This is educational, and I hope everyone's really enjoying it right now, because I know I freaking am. This quarantine has been crazy and really a bummer for everybody. Not, everybody's had their own struggles, and this is one thing that I've honestly very much appreciated, and very much it's pushed me to be a better person / to make a change, and I hope it does for you too. Leave that in the comments below too, if this whole entire thing has changed your life. But anyway, that's the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you want to follow me on any social media, I have my Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon in the description below. Also have my referral links for Webull and Robinhood. Thank you so much. I actually just had someone just use my referral link. It was a phone number, so I'm not going to share that with everybody, but thank you so much for using my link in Webull. I appreciate that a lot. I actually 3 free stocks, so thank you so much for that. Anyway, I hope you really enjoyed it. Like I said, I hope we kill it the rest of this week. I hope we have no losses and nothing but gains. You guys stay classy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, yo.